Hello, today I am going to talk about the quarterly results of Asian Paints. Every listed company shares its quarterly results 4 times in a year. What you have in front of you is the consolidated financial results for the current quarter, that is the December quarter of Asian Paints. Firstly, we will take a look at the revenues of the current quarter, that is 8,527, which is a lot compared to the last quarter that was of 7,096 crores. So here we can see there is a jump, and also for the same quarter last year we see a jump in the numbers in the revenue generated by Asian Paints. That was of 6,788. Now it is of 8,527. So Asian Paints sold paints worth 8,599 crores for the current quarter for 3 months. Now we will take a closer look at the expenses of Asian Paints for the current quarter. So the total expenses stood at 7,220 crores. That is a lot higher than the previous quarter and the same quarter last year. Income minus expenditure will give us pure profit. That brings us to the profit for the period. That stood at 1,378 crores for the current quarter, which is a lot higher than the previous quarter of 816 crores. But when we compare it to the same quarter last year, it is a lot lower. This was a profit before making any adjustments. After making adjustments of tax, depreciation, etc., the profit stood at 1,031 crores. That is a lot higher from the previous quarter that was of 605 crores. And when we compare it to the same quarter but of last year, we see decrease in profits. When we see the EPS or the earning per share, we see the EPS is always in line with the profits. So here we can see that the EPS for current quarter is 10.59, that is higher than the previous quarter. But when we compare it to the same quarter but of last year, we see that the EPS has decreased. Just to summarize, the profits are down by 18% on the year-on-year basis, but the revenues have grown by 26% on the year-on-year basis. The only reason for the decrease in profits is the increase in expenses for the current quarter. That was a result of increase in the raw material cost. Raw material used for making paints is crude oil, and the prices of crude oil have skyrocketed in the past 3 months, hence resulting in the increase in expenses. Thank you and have a nice day.